tell if your child is obese. Obesity strikes at any age. The notion that only adults tend to be obese, and that being fat for children is okay since they are children anyway and will outgrow the baby fats in time, is very wrong. In fact, checking the incidence of obesity should start at an early age because fat deposits can lodge in a child's system and it may be difficult to check this health condition in adulthood. It may be acceptable for children to be a little chubby and they actually look cute and lovable with round limbs and fleshy face. However, you have to monitor your children's body mass regularly so they do not go beyond their ideal weight. Here are ways on how to tell if your child is obese. Find out the body mass index, BMI, of your child. BMI is a tool used to determine if a person's weight is proportional to his age, body build and height. Use the recommended formula in checking BMI by basing your figures on a given chart or table that indicates various ranges in the general weight and height of individuals. From the figures indicated in the table, compute the BMI of your child. There are also online tools that can be used in deriving BMIs. Go to health sites and submit your child's vital statistics and wait for results. Seek advice from health and nutrition experts. You may ask information from doctors, nutritionists, and dietitians if your child is obese. You may personally bring your child for an overall assessment by the health expert. He will be weighed and evaluated according to his physical appearance and personal data. He may also be asked to perform some tests on physical endurance to find out if his weight is bearing him down, which could suggest he is indeed obese. Compare your child's weight with other children. Analyze your child's weight and physical condition and make a comparison with other children his age. Search online for particular studies and researches on child obesity and see if your child falls under any of the categories mentioned. Know if your child has higher weight than most of the subject children in these studies. If he has more BMI than, say, 9 out of 10 children, then he is certainly obese. However, you must also give consideration to your child's growth pattern. There are stages of growth for children. Some children's growth hormones become active at an early age, while some work faster at later childhood stage. If your children's growth accelerates at a certain age and he is obese at this point, there is a big chance he will outgrow the fats over time. Consider genetic factors as well as your child's usual diet. Obesity, like other physical and health conditions, is usually genetic. Apart from bloodline, Race is also a factor that results to a child's obese condition. For instance, most Africans are round and rotund individuals. Now you cannot alter nature. Round and fat people usually generate descendants who are on the same physical category. Diet is also one consideration. To give your children junk foods, fatty dishes, and sweets will, 100%, result to their being obese. Obesity is not a simple health problem. It has become one big risk factor in the life expectancy of an individual. Address your child's obese state from an enlightened approach. Seeing a doctor is the best thing that you can do to ascertain if your child is obese.